How to charge your Photon ROV. Your ROV will be shipped with two chargers. The large charger is for the ROV, and the smaller one is for the controller. Remove the port plug on the ROV and check that the port is dry. You can use compressed air to remove any moisture. Charging the ROV while the ports are wet will not compromise the electronics. Corrosion of the pins is the only concern. Plug the chargers into a power source. The LED on the power adapters will turn green. Plug the charger into the ROV. The plug is keyed and can only be plugged in if correctly oriented. The LED on the charger will turn red, indicating that there is a power draw. The charger is smart and will stop delivering power when each battery is fully charged. The red LED on the transformer will first flash and then turn green when the ROV is fully charged. The charger is not water resistant and must be used in a dry environment. Finally, it's important to know that lithium batteries will discharge slowly over time and will degrade if the charge is depleted beyond a certain level. Always store the Photon batteries and the bridge controller with a full charge for long periods of time, and make sure to unbox and fully charge each battery every 6 months.